Denso as a company has always been on the forefront of automation and innovation within the manufacturing process, but we haven't been as quick to adopt that towards our logistics areas, toward conveyance. We knew we had a lot of people that were getting paid to move parts all day long, and we had plenty of open jobs of value-added activities within the production environment. So we wanted to pay people to make parts for us that makes us money and not pay them to move parts that cost us money.
So the overall square footage of our facility is about 750,000 square feet, and our associates were walking up to 12 miles a day. We calculated about 60% of their time just pushing carts to and from the warehouse. We realized that we definitely have some opportunity here for automated conveyance.
We knew we didn't want to go through the AGV. We're an extremely dynamic environment. We didn't want to have to go through that entire infrastructure change every time we moved something. So the autonomous mobile robot was really key to us to be able to navigate on its own, quick mapping, quick changes. Specifically to the MiR250, we were really attracted to the 2 meters per second. We were attracted to the payload and the ability to navigate those narrow spaces. Our spark plug lines were our pilot area where we did a testing program with MiR and a couple of other manufacturers. After our initial testing, MiR stood out from the ability to use REST API calls, the intuitive nature of the fleet, the ease of mapping, ease of mission creation, ease of changing locations. It was just extremely intuitive compared to the other platforms that we looked at.
As soon as the robots rolled off the truck, we were up and running very shortly after that. Probably a day of setting everything up, and then probably another week of testing and working out the little wrinkles.
Very quickly, with that experience, we were able to expand and cover all finished good lines and have that 6 headcount reduction total within 6 months of our launch.
These employees went to some inspection processes, and then a few others have taken on entirely new roles that they wanted to challenge themselves with.
When I first started in automotive manufacturing, I had very little knowledge of robots or any type of moving machinery. Using the robots, it's definitely saved me some footsteps, made my back feel better. I know some people do get concerned that they'll be put out of a job because of it. I think we look at it more as working together with the robots as opposed to them taking our place.
As far as results, it's easy to point to indirect cost reduction because we do get quick ROIs from that. But in addition to that, we see morale increases. You start to see the efficiency gains and how it improves your overall culture, and then how departments will come up with their own ways to use them to save money.
We've definitely noticed an improvement as far as the reliability of getting the parts to where they need to be on time in the right quantity. The availability of that robot is far superior than what any associate could hope to be.
The AMR conveyance allowed departments to work together better. Our associates were able to get an order from production, kit that order, place it on the robot, and just in time up to line side delivery. We use Fleet for our maps, for all of our mission creation and our locations, but we also wanted to be efficient with some proximity queuing and to allow the associates to call for the robots and prioritize in FIFO order. So those REST API calls and using the PLC registers enable us to fully integrate with the production operators, our charge missions, and some proximity queuing as well. In some of our facilities, we're expanding into more production roles. We're integrating with different machines, and MiR have become more of a partner for us instead of just someone we bought something from. It's in our mindset now that automation and how we deliver components line side, it's not a luxury, it's not a new project, it's just part of the design and how we do things. At this point, we've been operating MiR robots since September of 2020. We've run over 500,000 successful missions, and they have not called in sick one single day.